Simon Sinek, The Power of Why. Les Brown, You Gotta Be Hungry. Margarita Estrada, Advocate for Yourself. Those are our signature speeches. I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. And today we're talking about developing your signature speech. That speech that people look forward to seeing over and over again. So how do you develop a signature speech? First, it has to be a story that touches you deeply. Second, it has to be a story that makes your heart sing. And third, it has to be a story that is general, that everyone can understand or will lead to an understanding later on. Those are the three ingredients for a signature speech. And of course, that takes development, right? Coaching to be able to get that signature speech to the level where every audience can understand it. So think about those three ingredients that I gave you. It has to be a speech that touches your heart. It has to be a speech that makes your heart sing, and it has to be general enough that any audience can understand it or will understand it in the future. I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. And remember, build your arsenal, break the barriers, step up and dare to be the challenger, the initiator, and the change agent that you were meant to be. Till next time.